Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with you helping you out on section 7 in our quiz review packet over linear equations, and this is writing linear equations given 2 points. This is one of the harder concepts we've learned this unit. If you don't fully understand it, that's okay. I'm going to help you out right now. Here's the deal. Here are 2 points. I want to write the equation. Understand that every linear equation is in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which means that I'm responsible for finding 2 things, m and b. Remember, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. You know how to find one of those things already using 2 ordered pairs, and that is finding the slope. If you don't know how to do that, you might want to check back in that slope video of the previous 2 sections ago, section 5. I'm going to summarize it right now. Take the 2 y's, subtract them. That'll give you 6. Take the 2 x's, subtract them. That will give you -3. These 2 reduce, give me a slope of -2, and that is the number that is going to go in for m. So my equation as it stands right now is y equals -2x plus something. I still don't know what that something is, that b. I'm going to leave it as b for now, and here's why. Although I don't know b, I do actually know x and y. Here's an x and y. Here's another x and y over here. You can pick either one of these ordered pairs. I personally like 1, 2. It looks easier, and I'm literally going to plug this into my equation in order to solve for b. If I plug in -2, or excuse me, if I write in 1, I plug in 1 next to -2 for x. What this means, if 1, 2 is actually an ordered pair solution, when I plug in 1, I have to get out 2. But as of right now, if I plug in 1, I get out -2. Well, that's not true. I need it to be 2. So in other words, what do I need to add to -2 to get me back up to 2? Well, to figure that out, I just solved this equation. The answer is adding 2 to both sides. You end up getting 4 is equal to b. Even if you don't understand that whole input-output thing, understand that just by virtue of solving this equation, b has to be 4. For that reason, it will always be 4. If I go back to the original equation, I can now rewrite it as y equals 2x plus 4. That is my y-intercept. If you still struggle with plugging in the x's and y's, I'd be happy to help you with that, but that's the basic gist. Again, start with the slope, difference of the y's, difference of the x's. Then you plug in an ordered pair for x and y and solve for b. If you need any more help, please let me know. I would be more than happy to. Thanks, guys.